Hello students, today we are going to learn the types of movable joints of chapter 2. There are mainly 4 types of movable joints in our body: hinge, ball and socket, pivot, and gliding joints. First, hinge joint. The joint that allows only forward and backward movements is called a hinge joint. You can move your arms, fingers, elbows, legs and knees only in one direction, that is forward and backward. The joints present in these body parts are like the hinges of a door. They are the hinge joints. So this is the hinges of a door. So what is the function of this hinges in a door? It helps the door to move backward and forward. Like that, in our body, the hinge joints help us to move backward and forward. Some of the activities that you can do with the help of hinge joints. For example, holding a pencil and writing, bending your arm and touching your head, bending your knees. All these are the activities that we can do with the help of hinge joints. The knee joint is an example of a hinge joint, and it allows the leg to extend and bend back and forth. Hinge joint facilitate bending and straightening actions. Next is ball and socket joint. This is the most movable joints in the body. It allows the movement of all directions. Example, shoulder and the hip. So, ball and socket point allows the movement in almost all directions. In this type of joint, the rounded end of one bone fits into a cup-shaped socket of another bone. In this picture, you can see that in ball and socket joint, the rounded end of one bone fits inside a cup-shaped ending on another bone. Ball and socket joints allow movement in all directions and also rotation. The most mobile joints in the body are ball and socket joints. Shoulders and hips are the examples of ball and socket joints. This type of joint allows you to swing your arm to throw a ball. Next is pivot joint. The pivot joint is present where the skull meets the topmost vertebra. It allows you to move your head up, down and sideways. This pivot joints allow the rotation of the bones without a changing of angle. That we can move our head up, down and sideways without changing the angle. These joints allow movement with limited rotation. That we know that we cannot move the head fully in the rotation. A pivot joint helps us to move the head up, down and sideways, only limited rotation. A pivot joint is found between the neck and the head. That is the position of pivot joint. And the last joint is gliding joint. The gliding joint allows the bones to slide across each other. It allows up, down, sideways and diagonal movement of bones. This type of joint is found in the bones of the wrist and the ankle. So, the joints of the wrist and ankles are the examples of a gliding joint. The flat surface of one bone glides over the surface of a bone next to it. So, today we have discussed the four main joints in our body: hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint, and gliding joint. And today's your homework is find out the answers of true or false given in page number 16 and draw the pictures of four kinds of joints in the copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.